last day of the auction. That I would show you guys a cold start at least, and I did turn on this fridge yesterday because basically every appliance in here is thousands of dollars, so you want that to be working. I bought one of these. See how that works. See how that comes out on camera. Boy, that is hard to read. Okay. I drained the water out of it, but you can look in my other walkthrough videos of water running through it, and of the you can see another video of the hot water heater running. And believe it or not, it seems kind of overcast, but yeah, it is like 60, it is 67 degrees, or it says 70 degrees in my weather app today, so. Hey, good luck with your bids today. I'll be around if you guys have any questions or last minute requests.